Yes, guys, what would it be? A show without lights? Oh my, a stage show without lights reduce the visibility and the audience might struggle to see the performers. It would be unusual, yeah, because lighting helps to create the needed mood or the specific atmosphere for a perfect show. Yeah. But oftentimes or mostly, they intentionally use darkness to build suspense to create intimate setting so audience focus on sounds or music. Yeah, guys. As what I've searched on the web, lights creates more than just visual effects. It affects our emotions. Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next episodes. Bye, people. Love you.